Namaste. We are with Dr. Madhuri Kanetkar. She is Dean at Armed Forces Medical College. She is going to tell us how to make our students happy. My worry is, in India, Delhi, at least one student commits suicide. Many are weak in their mind and body. And in Armed Forces Medical College, you make strong bodies and strong minds and great doctors. So tell us how you do it.
Thank you very much for the question, and I totally agree with you. I think what is required is, and this is, I think I'll tell all my dear future medical students, both girls and boys, what you need to do.
They are all your sons and daughters.
All my sons and daughters.
Right.
And I think nothing can be more important than this. Actually, what is happening is, children are today so misled that they feel only acquiring information is the most important aspect. But while that probably stimulates the brain, what is there for the body? I think what is more important, and what we instill and insist in AFMC, is to have an all-round holistic development, and our motto is fit mind in a fit body.
Right.
So all the students, we call them cadets, they are encouraged to morning have some PT, evening games, and join at least one or two what today is being called medical humanities. So we are very insistent that they either join one of the clubs, and we have 12, 13 clubs, whether it's a running club, whether it's a sports club, swimming club, including outreach for the community like a Prayas club, so hobbies. And we encourage them to spend time in this beyond textbooks, because learning occurs not only in the classroom. I think learning occurs in working together from your peers, from your mentors, from your teachers. You need those role models in life, and you need to have a holistic all-round development. That is what's most important. One set of, you join MBBS after slogging through 12, NEET, MBBS. After MBBS, again NEET, even internship, people don't see patients. What's the use? A doctor is not only the science of medicine. You have to learn the art of healing. How will you learn it without even looking or touching a patient? So I think this is where it is time to introspect. This generation, I think, dear children, you all are the most enlightened, you all have the most access to information. What you need is time to collect wisdom and collect and translate your information to knowledge, gain wisdom, and ensure a fit mind in a fit body.
Madam, students are worried that if they play they have 45 minutes of PT, physical training in the morning, and 1 hour of playing on the grounds in the evening, then they'll have no time for studies. So, do Armed Forces Medical College students study less than other students, or are they inferior to anybody else?
No, I think it's a question of quality versus quantity.
Right.
You can sit with a book for 3 hours and gain very little from it.
Right.
But if you've played, your mind is fresh.
Yeah.
It's like a sponge which will take in everything very fast. So if you spend time outdoors, spend time with nature, spend time on a playground, I'm sure when you sit down in 1 hour, you can grasp it all, because you get a high.
Yeah.
You have those endorphins. We are all medical people, no?
Yeah.
You get endorphins which are released, which are so important to stimulate you and remain energetic always. I think that is what's important.
So even after 45 minutes PT in the morning and 1 hour play in the evening, Armed Forces Medical College students daily study 2 hours in the evening.
I'm sure they do, because they do very well. This university, I've had a near 100% result in all 3 MBBS.
Fantastic.
So I'm sure, and they've done everything and had all the fun.
Then all can do it.
All can do it.
Right. So we request all our medical student sons and daughters that you must do 45 minutes PT, physical training, or some yoga, exercise, dance in the morning, and 1 hour of sports in the evening. And
yes, I agree with you, and it's not for their today.
Yeah.
It is for their tomorrow that they're doing it, because the doctor's life continues to be one of stress, and the Indian Medical Association has also taken an initiative called Doctor Heal Thyself.
Right.
I think this is also because there's burnout, there's suicides, there's depression. how do you contend that? Who will treat the doctor?
Right.
We are the ones who are the knowledgeable ones. So why not invest in today to develop a habit, a lifestyle which will last a lifetime? Even today I do everything. So there's the problem.
Yes, you are 58 and you ran 6 kilometers today morning.
8 kilometers.
8 kilometers.
Yes.
Fantastic. And this discussion is good for all the students.
I'm sure medicine is one part, but who is not? I think the IT industry is even more stressed out, even more burnt out. Look at the lifestyle, look at the food habits. Everything is changing. You're having young adults coming with hypertension, diabetes, kidney failure. You feel so sorry. A stitch in time will save 9.
Yeah, so whoever is a student must have physical training or exercise 45 minutes in the morning and 1 hour in the evening.
Absolutely. Make it a hobby.
That will make them a strong body, strong mind.
Fit mind in a
And
fit body, fit mind in a fit body.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.